This is the Boeing one-day reading for July 12th, 2024. Currently, June 3rd, 2024, 9:05 p.m. Eastern Time. Boeing at the time of this reading is $184.57. That's USD. And the shuffle video for the July 12th reading was created on May 24th, 2024, 12:29 a.m. Eastern Time. That's a video playing for you in the lower left corner. The overall theme of behavior for Boeing on the 12th, there's a notable move to the upside. It's very likely that it starts out of oversold territory. Behavior around the highest high for the day, we have a resistance level that we decline from and then return to at some point, at least once at some point throughout the day. Behavior around the lowest low for the day, we successfully turn resistance into support near the low. And I'm advised to trade around sideways rotational on key support level. Now, I'm going to get into the hour-by-hour chart behavior as well as finding the highs and lows and the best trade opportunities. But before I do that, I just want to make sure you're aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. So in the pre-market, we have a high, a rally into a high, and then a halting of that rally marked by a sharp decline through key support. There may be another, a little bit more of a rally into another high here right at the open, a near overbought crest that we sell off from pretty notably. A lot of movement to the downside here in that first half hour. So I would, and then a notable rally here between 10 and 11 that then turns over and brings us back to another trough around 11 o'clock. Then there's another rally into a high here between 11 and 12 where we do some sideways rotation along that key price level. It's possible that we rally back into that same Princess of Swords price level from a couple days ago. It's possible. But what we know is that we're going to decline off of that resistance, off of that high, with a sideways fluctuating decline into another low midday between 12 and 1. Pretty big move to the downside, right around 12:30. And out of that low, we have a big move to the upside, reaching for distant resistance, eventually taking us back to a high between 2 and 3, with a really big move to the upside out of a trough in the last hour. This move will really stand out. There's a cross-rating congruency here. It'll take us to a high at the close, and there's a brief peak that's easily missed around the close that we sell off from pretty notably. And the sneak preview for the 15th, we have a prominent move higher, followed by a full retracement of that move back down. That's going for July 12th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. Stay tuned if you got the paid version. We're going to get into the best trades momentarily.